Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now I want discuss about how to recycle waste. List of content. What is waste recycle? Recycling type of waste, organic waste, inorganic waste, recycling process, benefits of recycling waste. What is waste recycling? Waste recycling is an important step in protecting the environment from separating organic and inorganic waste to using recycled product. Every small action can have a positive impact. Don't forget to support recycling programs in your community and educate local people about the importance of this practice for the future of our planet. Types of waste. Write your explanation of the topic here. Make sure to express your ideas clearly and write them down in as much detail as possible. Organic waste. Write your explanation of the topic here. Make sure to express your ideas clearly and write them down in as much detail as possible. And organic waste. Write your explanation of the topic here. Make sure to express your ideas clearly and write them down in as much details as possible. Organic waste. Food leftovers. Write the explanation of the topic here. Make sure to express your ideas clearly and write them down as much detail as possible. And there is compost material. Inorganic waste. Inorganic waste is a type of waste consisting of materials that cannot be decomposed naturally. In contrast to organic waste, which comes from living materials. Inorganic waste is material that comes from sources such as material, glass, plastic, and paper. In organic waste, there is plastic, metal, textiles, and electronics. Waste recycling process. The waste recycling process involves a series of steps to convert waste into recyclable products. The following are the general steps in the recycling process. First, there is plastic. Second was sorting and sorting. Third, cleaning. Fourth, processing. And fifth, manufacture of new raw materials. And sixth, recycled product distribution. Benefit of recycling waste. Natural resource conservation. Recycling helps reduce the use of finite natural resources. By using recycled materials, we can reduce pressure on forests, mining, and other natural resources. Energy savings. Recycling generally requires less energy than manufacturing products from new raw materials. For example, producing recycled paper requires less energy than making paper from wood pulp. Thank you. I hope you can upgrade your mind about recycle. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.